Battery cord out here, boop. This one 35. The roof's nice. Huh? These windows is through. Okay. Oh man. Say that again. Yeah, it was a fire.
This was your dream to get a fire damage house.
It'll take 15.
Man, I was about to say 20.
No. It's the usual. It's nothing crazy. Yeah, that's what I'll see. Crap. So where? Oh, this is the kitchen here. This a two? What is this? Oh, it's a 3.
This is straight up here.
It is. So the fire just in the kitchen then, or the main floor.
You need a lot of windows.
A lot of windows. Tons of windows. The floor straight. You can see this could be sanded. This got a lot of staples though. Hey, why they do this? The fire came over here. Nah, ain't nothing burnt.
I said they tried to fix them and shit. You can't open up no walls, but
Nah, cause the stairs over here.
just that's enough. You probably can. You can't to the side though. To the side on it.
Oh shit! What is that? You going down there?
Huh?
You going down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this wide open. They need to secure this.
I'm just scared. They got camera. That's why they ain't worried about it.
That's why they ain't worried about it.
It's a ring camera on the door. I mean, what is somebody gonna take? It's burnt up.
This looks nice too. Huh?
Can't take nothing and you can't squat. It's freezing.
We need some glass blocks. Nice glass blocks.
The brickwork is straight. What's this? What's this? Car parts?
That's a nice little bathroom too.
Yeah, it is car parts.
This a two big. This a 2 bad.
Oh, all through. Yeah, this basement's straight.
And they got some new PVC. New all glass block shit.
And they got got a full bathroom down here. I ain't hear you.
Shit, it's 20,000. It's a go.
You ain't lying.
30, like 30.
Man, in the basement this is nice. You know what I'm saying? 30, that'd probably take 25. Where the water coming from though? Oh, it's leaking. So that's good. It's not coming from outside.
You know, I'm just looking at the meter. That's what
Come on, it's actively dripping.
Yeah.
It's just a busted meter. The pipe's probably busted. Cause it ain't winterized.
I mean, only 35 in here though.
Easy, yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, easy 35, cause you got all new drywall on the main floor. All, but mostly all new drywall on the main floor. But the basement's solid, man. I'm talking about ain't nothing cracked.
This would be a good one.
It's already painted. Just need a touch-up paint job.
So if you said 25 and 35,
What's that? 60?
That's 60. That ain't too bad.
That's good math.
That ain't too bad.
That's not. That's excellent. The roof look new. The roof look real good.
Yeah, that's
25. Make sure you write it down in your little notebook.
I mean, get. We already know.
I don't know the edge.
45 for the other one. And 60, 20, 25 for
Get a picture. Yeah, I like this one. It's gonna be about 4-5 racks just in windows. It's gonna be about 4,000 just in windows. That's a big window right there. Some of this drywall is already up though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because really need that. This is gonna be like young. Then we almost had to replace all the ones on young.
Young. Yeah, we did. Because we had to keep going back and forth to Peppers. Yeah. Locked it? Yeah. Alright. We ain't gonna look at the garage.
Oh, that's enough time. That bitch roof.
Where is that? That's a big window too. That window right there about 500, 600. Damn, I ain't even see this house. This one burnt too.
I wonder if they get burnt together.
That's what I'm thinking. This a big ass house here. Jeez. Yeah, that offer just went to 20. I mean, 15.
Yeah, 15. I went to 20 and I thought it was garage.
Damn, what the nigga? This about 5-6 different car bumpers.
We gotta do all. We gotta get these trees out of here.
Got the Malibu. Got the Impala. Look at the tree though. You gotta get that tree.
Get these trees out of here.
Man, that's 10 racks.
Gotta knock that garage down.
It's 35.15 is a real good offer. Cause now we probably at 40 though. You gotta think, all these windows is gonna be about 6,000. Got the basement windows you gotta get. These huge windows in the front and the back. The garage gotta be tore down. So that's about a good 40 bars. This garage, this porch gotta have railings and a banister, tuck pointed. And then a big lot right here. I say 15. 15 for sure. At 15 is, I mean, at 15, 40 will put it all in at what? 55? That's a hell of a deal. Woo. I like it. Oh boy. And this little janky thing about to fall apart. All that money you got these cheap tools. It's broke, bro.
This is a Harbor Freight shit.
Yeah, I can tell. Stop sharpening Harbor Freight. Man, I got one hand on the camera. This is why I don't like looking at the house in the winter, man. Cause a lot of times, the lock boxes be frozen. That mug is not moving at all. You ain't about to move that. Yep. Also need to keep that in mind when we need to keep that in mind when we got ours listed. You know what I'm saying? Might have to just do away with the lockbox and just keep the alarm on. Or I don't know. Or you get a digital lockbox, spend a little bit of money. I don't know, I'll figure it out. They all cheap. Only ones that don't freeze is them Simply Lock, Century Lock. It's a weird looking garage. I know, look up, yeah, it's weird too. Good Lord. Oh, it's two different doors. That's crazy. Turn the light on.
I've never seen one built like this.
Me neither.
One from the front, one from the side.
This is new here for sure.
Now you gotta make some two garage doors work. But these might could be fixed.
That one looked fine. This one is the one that's bent up.
They might be fixed though.
And that one's automatic. This one not. Alright, let's go see. Let's see what we're looking like.
You got it?
Yeah. Might as well go right to the. I see no gas. Ooh, I need that. Alright. Oh, she just bought some though. I'm good. I forgot. I couldn't find nothing this morning. You don't smell the gas? Oh, you do? It's a nice basement though, but I see the water. Damage.
You can stop it.
Huh?
Maybe you could just stop it. Stop it from outside.
Maybe.
A low ceiling.
Turn my night mode. Ghetto ass school. The ceiling low as hell.
Yeah. Not well, just in certain areas.
You over there. That's because they got that drop ceiling though. Get rid of that. I don't know what's leaking, where the gas leaking from. It's over here. Little torture room. I mean, ain't no cracked bricks or nothing though.
That's good. Floor looks good.
Yep.
Shit, you might do good walls in this one. A couple little touch-ups.
Furnace, hot water tank, good.
Cute. Go right back with the same setup.
What?
Oh,
Where's
no,
kitchen?
no. You gonna take this house, right?
Hell yeah, take something out. This mother tiny as hell. Yeah, definitely take this wall out. This tiny kitchen. Tile all through here.
Then you couldn't take this wall out.
You can. Why not?
Yeah.
Just gotta put a beam there.
All three of these walls are cold.
Yeah, just put a beam there.
Like,
A beam right here, look. Boom. Put the post right here, and then put
well,
a
if
support
not,
beam
we're
across.
gonna-
Huh?
I ain't got this one, just probably this one. But
Well, I
this
mean,
cabinet's
you
on
take this wall. I was gonna just have this wall in the middle of the.
I don't know.
You gonna have to take them both off, but it's doable. It's about 2,000. It's nice. It's very easily. How much is this one?
54.
It's a bit easy. This will be easy. Her vibe is pretty, queen. She's probably ugly too.
Shit, I bet she wasn't ugly.
Bet? Want to bet?
Oh man. Dig that. There's a mattress sitting right in there.
That is definitely unique. I ain't never seen that before.
You throw a mattress right in there. Got you a little bed.
Yep. You ain't never thought of that for the rumor house, huh? You know what I'm saying? A little cubby hole. Shoot, I'm thinking about that on Chelsea. I could put 4 of those.
Nice.
Ooh, think about it. Listen, you know how in Chelsea got that long walkway?
Upstairs?
Yeah, I could put 4 of them, 2 on each side.
Those not rooms though. Those is beds.
Nigga, you was just talking about
You talking about
doing.
the shelter?
You was just talking about doing
Talking about
the niggas coming home, the joint.
Transition.
Yeah, transition on.
That's nice.
We do that. That'd be nice. Get you a little hot in the cot, bro.
Like this.
Yeah, me too. For the how much they say? You said 55, so they might take 40. I doubt it. I don't know. How long we been on the market?
I don't know.
You gotta start checking these things, man, and make my offer. Make me
Yeah.
my offer better. Lights work. So they walk around and flash like damn light works. Oh, so close.
That's what I'm going to deal with over here. They finished the basics how they got like 175.
Yeah, this 4205 over here by Harper Woods High. Probably have to cut a couple of the trees down. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I like it.